We are live on the Carnival cruise. Let me show you Gwaan. When the water's so blue. Yeah. All right, walk with me. Thank you for the likes. Wagwan Bossy. You're good. Ready for the tour. Thank you for the likes. Your favorite place? Oh, you've been on the Carnival cruise before? Big up Kim, Wagwan, been on that ship. I know that's right. Love that, love that. Yeah, guys, walk with me. I'm going on a tour of Wagwan. It is such a beautiful day. The sun is out, everybody is out. It is sea day, so you know people they on deck. They might eat, they might drink, they might line dance, party, all of that. You know, I do all of that already. Line dance today. Watch it. This one is the Glory. What's up, Antoinette? One love, Wagwan. Pick up on yourself. Welcome in, guys. Same shape, have fun. Look like a celebration. It is a celebration. It is such a great day. Pick up on yourself. What they got going on out here? It looks like it's a big and people are passing. Look at they have a games. Oh, game time going on.
All right, good guess. What do you think? A seahorse. All right, look to the side. A seahorse. Wait, a polar.
Oh wow, it is like an ice carving, guys. They're doing ice carving.
Just a polar bear.
Just to guess what he's carving. I wonder if we can walk and give him a better view.
Why don't you give a balloon to Elsa? A balloon to Elsa, you know? She will let it go, let it go. Oh, okay.
What's up? Walk around, big up on yourself. Ah, they're trying to guess what he's carving. That is so cool. Wanna want to see it? Let's go. Why not?
A seahorse. Seahorse seems to be a very popular guess. What do you think? A fox.
We are going down.
I don't see it. Emma, do you see a fox?
All right, so they're doing the ice carving right now. We're gonna see what they're carving out.
The closest one I think is bear or seahorse.
What do you think?
A dog.
Dog. You know, I kind of see
I can't really
a
see
turkey.
good.
You know?
I don't know.
Turkey. What do you think?
Wanna think? It's a lobster.
An ice sculpture.
That's a good answer.
That is a great guess. That is a great guess.
What I think.
You know,
Never been
I
on a
actually
cruise.
see
Well,
it could
welcome.
be a
We're on
turkey.
right
What do you
now.
think?
Seahorse.
A seahorse,
Yeah.
yeah? A flamingo. What do you think?
I think it's a person with a hat looking up to the sky.
That's a good.
A person with a hat
It's a fish.
looking up to the sky. That is an interesting guess. I don't know. I still see it could be a turkey. You know what? Sorry,
I'm not
forgive me,
sure.
please. With a sound effect. Could you please